Yeah. Chris, tell me about the car. You've owned it 5 years?
I've owned the car 5 years. I bought it from a gentleman who did a total restoration on the outside of the car on a rust-free car from the Carolinas. It has around 50,000 miles on it. I've enjoyed it for the last 5 years. I've done all the maintenance to keep it up to speed. New tires recently. It did take first place primary in the Gettysburg Cadillac LaSalle Club, which I drove it down to. And basically, it's been a great driving car. Absolutely gorgeous car.
Nice. Anything, what does it need right now?
Basically, small things. Yeah, a door handle inside the back keeps coming loose. The backup lights have a short somewhere. I think it's a ground. The radio powers up, but doesn't. No sound, just static comes out.
Okay.
And to be honest with you, I think that's it. Everything else mechanically. Windshield washers work. The power antenna works. Everything else works. So it's been pretty well kept up.
Very nice. Well, thank you for offering it here. Yeah.
Thank you.